Project is PLC based three-phase slip ring induction motor starter and speed control. We students of GRIT.
I am Deepak from Triple Final Year.
I am Ramesh.
I'm Venkatesh. I'm Sriram. Have done this project under the guidance of V. Himabindu ma'am.
The project we did here is the starting and speed control of the three-phase slip ring induction motor using programmable logic controller, that is PLC. The components used in this project is
Half HP 3-phase induction motor.
ABB series 51 AC31 PLC and relays, 3NO relays, 4NO auxiliary contactor
And selector switch
and push buttons. 200 watts electrical bulbs which acts as a resistors.
In this project, we use rotor resistance method for both starting and speed control of the induction motor. 3 equal resistance are connected to the rotor circuit of the induction motor, which are shorted at one end. Before each set of resistors, 3 NO relays are connected, which cuts the rotor resistance accordingly.
The auxiliary contactor is used to provide three-phase AC supply to the motor.
All the AC coils of contactors and relays are energized by using the
PLC. Push buttons are interfaced with PLC to start or stop the motor. The selector switch is used for the desired speed selection, which in turn controls the 3NO relays.
For programming, here we use ABB AC31 graph software. Coming to the programming part, when the digital input I62.00, that is, the start button is pushed. After the time delay of 2 seconds, digital output 62.00 is on, and after 5 seconds, digital output 62.01 is on, and after 5 seconds, output 62.02 is on, and after 5 seconds, output 62.03 is on. For the time delay operation, functional block T1, that is timers are used. The inputs I62.01, I62.02 and I62.03 and I62.05 can be accessed after the time delay of 17 seconds. By switching on and off, these inputs controls the digital outputs O62.01, O62.02 and O62.03. The digital input I60.04, that is stop push button, is used to terminate the program in any condition. Coming to the operation, when the start button is pushed, after the time delay of 2 seconds, the auxiliary contactor closes. After 5 seconds, the first set of resistance are cut off, and after 5 seconds, the second set of resistance are cut off. After 5 seconds, the third resistance are cut off. The motor is set, rotates at ready speed.
By using selector switch, desired speed selection is obtained. Stop button is used to stop the motor at any condition and at any time. By this way, starting and speed control of three-phase slip ring induction motor by using PLC is achieved.
Motor is rotated with full resistance in the rotor circuit, then the speed is observed on the tachometer as 1220 rpm. There is a rise in speed of induction motor from 1220 rpm to 1260 rpm. When the first resistance in the rotor circuit is cut off, the speed increases from 1260 rpm to 1295 rpm. When second resistance is cut off, the motor gains rated speed of 1415 rpm when all the resistance are cut off.